Hi everyone, I am Jeff Perlott, marketing professor at Green River College, co-founder at Integrated Sports Nutrition, and creative director on this revision to contemporary marketing. And this was much more than just a revision. Our team of subject matter experts and faculty completely reimagined what a marketing principles class should be. And it all started by asking the right questions. Number one, how do we spark student interest and keep it? And number two, how do we teach marketing in a way that's relevant and practical? And that second point is a big one, because what I tell students on the first day of class, and I've been saying this for over a decade as a faculty, is that I'm not here to teach you about marketing, I'm here to teach you to be a marketer. And for years, I struggled to find a product that truly helped me do that. So what I would do is cobble together various published resources and grab the best practices of industry experts I knew and my own experiences building and consulting companies, and that would be my course. But the whole time, you know what I really wanted? Is I wanted a turnkey product. And while I'll always bring my own experiences into the course, I wanted something that could serve as a foundation for my course out of the box. And with contemporary marketing, that product is finally here. And it wasn't easy. There's a couple of things that were challenges for us. Number one, we wanted that simpler, streamlined format that students keep asking for, but we needed to make sure that we were still thorough and comprehensive. Two, we needed to make sure all of this content was really practical and relevant. No random filler, no random examples. Everything needed to be tied to usable, real-world learning objectives. And accomplishing this was not easy, but we did it. I haven't seen anything like it. I've looked, my colleagues have looked, but the search is over. I want to tell you what makes contemporary marketing unique in a field of other options. It is entirely based on the principle of learn it today, use it tomorrow. And I don't just mean conceptually, I mean literally. Every section of every chapter is based on this principle. So students are going to walk away from each section with knowledge and skills that they can actually use, and ones that marketing professionals actually use. And that's what's going to keep them engaged. There's more that I could say, but I'll leave it at that for now. This is the product that marketing students need. It's the product that marketing teachers need, and it reflects the realities of the marketing profession. And I'm looking forward to seeing how this transforms the lives of marketing teachers and marketing students for years to come.